Finally, the realistic look of iPhone 15 Pro Max is out, and we even have the first look of iPhone 15. It is amazing to see the new color options of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but there is one bad news waiting for you. These are the new real look and hands-on with the iPhone 15 Pro Max dummies, thanks to Apple Insider to show us the real look in dummies, but there is something more to it. First, there will be 4 color options we are going to get on the iPhone 15 Pro Max: silver, black, Titan Grey and Deep Blue. Titan Grey is the new color option in the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but personally, I don't like the look of the Titan Grey. Also, with the dummies, the sides are glossy, which is different what we are going to get in the real phone, as we are going to see a titanium frame on the sides, and we might see a matte finish on the sides of iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. On the sides, we can see a new action button, else everything is same. Interesting to see, the new camera bump of iPhone 15 is bigger than the iPhone 14. And we got 5 color options in the iPhone 15: yellow, pink or red, blue, white and black. Also, iPhone 15 will now going to feature a dynamic island, which is already out. The SIM card tray is still available, but for international versions, not for US or Canada. This new look also confirms a USB Type-C port on both iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro Max, but there is a difference which cannot be confirmed from dummies. iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max will going to come with a faster charging speed. According to the rumor, it will be 35 watt of fast charger, but base model iPhone 15 and 15 Plus will going to feature a same 20 watt of fast charger but with a USB Type-C port. From the dummies of iPhone 15, one thing is clear: we are going to get an updated cameras on the back. Yes, it will be 48 megapixel main shooter on iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, but it is not the same sensor used in the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but a different one. It is now confirmed that we are going to see a price hike on iPhone 15 Pro Max, but not more than $100. According to the source, it will be $100 price increase, which means $1,099 for iPhone 15 Pro and $1,199 for the iPhone 15 Pro Max base model. Previous rumors suggest we might see a $200 price increase on iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's see if it's $1,299 or $1,199. Both ways, there is a price hike for the iPhone 15 Pro models. Apple officially announced the launch date, September 12. The pre-orders will start on September 15, and you can get your phone by 22nd of September. If you guys want to see the top 5 changes in the iPhone 15 Pro Max, then you should watch this video, and I hope you guys are subscribed. I will see you next time. Till then, peace out.